Welcome to this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today we will see how to change the language in Gmail and other Google products. So as you can see here, I am logged in inside my Gmail account. So from here, we go to this icon here, settings. We click on it, and again here, see all settings. We click this one, and as you can see here, everything is displayed in English because you can see here language. Gmail display language, it is in English. If we want to change it to another language, we just click to this arrow. Now we can change it to French. We scroll down below, save changes. If we save this one, you will see that everything will be in French. If we come back to this page here, it will be displayed in French. Click on this one here, and automatically we are back here again. It is displayed in French right now. If we go back to that place, and now the name is paramètres. So we click on this one, voir tous les paramètres, and I click this one, and you can see here everything is in French. Let's go back and change it to English. So I come back here and go down below again, save it here, voila, I'm back to English. But there is something else. Other Google product may use different language even if we have English set here. Let's go back again to the same place here. Even if I have English set here, there can be some products in Google which can use different language. So how to find out? We go to this link, change language settings for other Google products. We click on this link, and now we have this page, language. It is displayed in French. If we don't want it to be in French, we can change to the language we want. So you can see here, langue d'affichage, français, France. So we click on this icon. We write English. Now we have English. From here you can choose a country. Choose the country you want for that language. So I click here and now save. This is in French, but it means in English save. This is no longer in French. Automatically added languages on. So now other Google products may use this language which I have here, English. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.